Okay, in order to test the strength of your magnets, the first thing you're going to need is a ruler. Because we're doing a scientific experiment, we want to make sure that we use the metric side of our ruler. The side that has the centimeters from 1 to 30, 1, 2, 3, and you can see the little millimeter and centimeter mark. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to secure our magnet to no man's land, because remember, we don't measure in no man's land. Now, knowing the properties of magnets, I know that magnets stick to things like iron, nickel, and cobalt. So this nail, the magnet sticks to. Well, if I put it here, it kind of rocks a little bit. So if I take these small wooden blocks and I line them up so that they're going to support the nail, I can line up the blocks, and I can place the nail on top of the blocks, and then I can adjust the magnet down so it touches the ruler and it's right there on no man's land. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to get a paper clip, because again, paper clips are attracted to magnets, and we know that magnets do not have to touch an object in order to pull it together. So I'm going to put my paper clip starting here so it is lined on 5. Now, to make sure that I can watch, I'm going to move it forward with the straw. So I've started at 5, and I'm going to move it to the 0. It's a reverse count. So I move it 1 millimeter at a time. So now you can see here that I am at 4.5. So at 4.5, this magnet is not strong enough to attract this paper clip. So then I'm going to move it 1 millimeter at a time. Now I am at 4. Still, it's not being attracted. I keep moving it forward. 3.5, 3.2, 3, and now I'm in the 2 range, 2.5. Oh, that happened faster than I thought. So I wasn't quite ready, so I'm going to redo this one. If we're not sure, we don't make up data. So I know it was after the 3, and here's it. It is at 3. So this particular magnet is 3. Now I'm going to test this magnet 5 times. And then I'm going to test, so this was magnet A. I'll test my other flat magnet. So I have magnet A, and then I'll test magnet B. The third magnet, magnet C, I'm going to test is going to be one of my little magnetic marbles. Now you'll see when I attract it to the nail, I'm going to need to back it up. So again, that it's right there in no man's land. Then I'm going to repeat the procedure. So again, I always start off at 5, and then I move it, I count it down, 4.5, 4, and so on. So you're going to test each of your magnets 5 times. Now, once you are done with that, you're going to use Google Sheets to record it. Good luck in testing your magnets.